स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे मन्नाथ श्रीजगन्नाथो मद्गुरुः श्रीजगद्गुरुः ममात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। ओम शांति 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 हरिः ओम। Let us chant the Gayatri Mantram 3 times, please. Om Bhurभुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। We meditate on the spiritual effulgence of that adorable, supreme divine reality, the source or projector of the three worlds. May that supreme divine being stimulate our intelligence so that we may realize the supreme truth. Now let us chant the Mahamrutyunjay Mantram with great devotion, faith and concentration. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamrutat. 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 Now selfless universal prayer, please. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि, सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु, सर्वसद्बुद्धिमाप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु। दुर्जनः सज्जनो भूयात्, सज्जनः शान्तिमाप्नुयात्, शान्तो मुच्येत बन्देभ्यो, मुक्तश्चान्यान् विमोचयेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। Few minutes, just sit quiet, keeping your mind on the vibrations of the Tanpura. ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। Namaste. Let us chant the Gita Dhyana shlokas, please. Five times chanting of the Omkaram, then start the recitation, Parayana. Ready? ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणी भगवतीं अष्टादशाध्यायिनी अम्ब त्वाम् अनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयत्रतजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलः प्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः। देवाय तस्मै नमः। देवाय तस्मै नमः। My salutations to that supreme divine being whom Brahma, Varuna, Indra and Rudra glorify by divine hymns, whom singers of Saman praise by chanting the Veda with all the complementary parts, sections and Upanishads, whom yogins intuit with minds concentrated in meditation, and whose limit neither the hosts of Devas nor of Asuras know. Om Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi. 1 minute, please. Sit quiet, praying to the Lord. Namaste to everybody, Subhodayam, Shubhadinam, and pray to Sri Ramakrishna, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, to bless us with good meditation and understanding of the Vishwarupa Darshana. So before we start the recitation and meditation, one or two important points about our sadhana, about our spiritual life, about search for truth. So the purpose of this meditation is you must open your heart, Swamiji says. You must open your heart. Ishvara, the Supreme Being, Parabrahman, Paramatman, Pratyagatman, whatever names, whatever way you call, he is the sum total of individuals. Samashti and Vyashti, two things are there. One is universal and another is individual. The sum total of individuals. Yet he himself also is an individual in the same way as the human body is a unit, of which each cell is an individual. Samashti or the collective is God. Vyashti or the component is the soul of Jiva. The existence of Ishvara, therefore, depends on that Jiva as the body on the cell and vice versa. Jiva and Ishvara are coexistent beings. As long as the one exists, the other also must. This world is a relative world, a shadow of the real, still being the plane of equipoise, where happiness and misery are about evenly balanced. It is the only plane where man can realize his true self and know that he is Brahman. Man or human being is the nearest approach to Brahman. To go back to Brahman, from which we have been projected, is the great struggle of life. Take anything before you. Take anything before you, the most material thing. Take one of the most material sciences, as chemistry or physics, astronomy or biology. Study it. Push the study forward and forward, and the gross forms will begin to melt and become finer and finer until they come to a point where you are bound to make a tremendous leap from the material things into the immaterial. The gross melts into the fine, physics into metaphysics, in every department of knowledge. A very important observation, very important teaching for us to meditate properly. The purpose of meditation, the purpose of these classes, the purpose of Bhagavad Gita is to help us find the truth in the right place, in the right way, the right process. Without that, we are only beating around the bush. We are going helter-skelter. We are just doing surface cleaning. But look at what Swami Vivekananda is teaching us. I'll read again. Please be attentive. Take anything before you, the most material thing. Take one of the most material sciences, as chemistry or physics, astronomy or biology. Study it. Push the study forward and forward. The gross forms will begin to melt and become finer and finer until they come to a point where you are bound to make a tremendous leap from these material things into the immaterial. The gross melts into the fine, physics into metaphysics, in every department of knowledge. So today, or normally, 90% of the people are at the gross level. They are at the material level. As a result, concentrating on finer things, concentrating maybe say Om or Gayatri Mantram or your Ishta Mantram is for 5 minutes or half an hour. And we become tired, we become exhausted. Some even get jigupsa, a kind of reluctance for meditation and prayer because the habit of fineness is missing. Sukshmatva. But meditate, meditate, meditate till light flashes into your head and the Atman stands self revealed, says another direct disciple, Swami Turiyananda. So the teachings which they have given 100 years ago, or 50 years ago, or thousands of years ago through the scriptures is to be practiced. Practiced. So look at the 10th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, Vibhuti Yoga, gross. Krishna is describing everything external. Let it be the bird, let it be a tree, let it be the stars, let it be the Vedas, let it be anything that we have seen 20 shlokas. But now Arjuna is going deeper and deeper in search for truth, more finer, more subtler, and more universal also. So from LKG, it is like going for PhD. High up, high up. From the base camp of Mount Everest till the peak of the Mount Everest. It becomes much finer. It becomes much sharper. But are you able to hold on like the mountaineer? That is what you have to do sitting in your house. That is the objective success of climbing Mount Everest. But here, it's a subjective success of climbing Mount Everest in your heart. How much effort, how much of patience, how much of energy, how much of enthusiasm, how much of pain, how much of loss. Those who climb Mount Everest told me, as they are climbing up and up and up, oxygen becomes less. Then they are seeing something else, a different world. And then suddenly they will see a dead body of some other mountaineer climbing up, or while returning. Their bones they will see. And this fellow with his team is climbing up. They are facing death. They know the percentage of casualty. They know at any moment the avalanche, the snowstorm may come. But still, that we have to appreciate. Not just appreciate, at least sitting in our house, in your room for half an hour, let us do it. That is the challenge. ఊరిని మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటాం. We'll be going here and there, running. In English, a poem is there, na? Children play, musical chair. Fire in the mountain, run. Fire in the mountain, run. Fire in the mountain, run. Why don't you put out the fire and walk properly? Fire in the mountain is, why fire is there? So we go by the gross and then suffer. Go to the finer, sharper. That is real meditation. So, sense happiness. Sense happiness means pancha indriya sukham, bhoga sukham, shabda sparsha rupa rasa gandha that we are getting, that we are enjoying, that we are munching, that we are licking, that we are tasting. Sense happiness is not the goal of humanity. Wisdom, gnana, is the goal of human life. We find that man enjoys his intellect more than an animal enjoys its senses. And we see that man enjoys his spiritual nature even more than his rational nature. So the highest wisdom must be this spiritual knowledge. With this knowledge will come bliss. All these things of this world are but the shadows, the manifestation in the third or fourth degree of the real knowledge and bliss. The goldness of gold, the silverness of silver, the manhood of man, the womanhood of woman, the reality of everything is the Lord. So let us meditate on the Lord. Let us know what He is. Let us utilize the opportunity created by Partha, by Arjuna, and put that in our modern life, today's life. Arjuna of that yuga, along with Krishna. Today, we have Sri Ramakrishna, we have Vivekananda, we have all of us as followers, as meditators in any place, anywhere. Let us work on that and become more finer and more inward. Okay? So, with this small introduction about the purpose of meditation, let us go to shloka number 22 of the 11th chapter, please. 22. Please open. Arjuna Uvacha. Okay, ready? अथ एकादशोऽध्यायः विश्वरूपदर्शनयोगः। अर्जुन उवाच रुद्रादित्या वसवो ये च साध्या। 22 I am reciting. रुद्रादित्या वसवो ये च साध्या विश्वेश्विनौ मरुतश्चोष्मपाश्च गन्धर्वयक्षा सुरसिद्धसङ्गा वीक्षन्ते त्वां विस्मिताश्चैव सर्वे। रूपं महत्ते बहुवक्त्र नेत्रं महाबाहो बहुबाहुरुपादम् बहूदरं बहुदंष्ट्राकरालम् दृष्ट्वा लोकाः प्रव्यतितास्तताहम् नभस्पृशं दीप्तमनेकवर्णं व्यात्ताननं दीप्तविशालनेत्रम् दृष्ट्वा हि त्वां प्रव्यतितान्तरात्मा धृतिं न विन्दामि शमं च विष्णो। दंष्ट्राकरालानि च ते मुखानि दृष्ट्वैव काला नलसन्निभानि दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्म प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास। अमी च त्वां धृतराष्ट्रस्य पुत्राः सर्वे सहैवाव निपालसङ्गैः भीष्मो द्रोणः सूतपुत्रस्तथासौ सहास्मदीयैरपि योधमुख्यैः वक्त्राणि ते त्वरमाणा विशन्ति दंष्ट्राकरालानि भयानकानि केचिद्विलग्ना दशनान्तरेषु सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैरुत्तमाङ्गैः यथा नदीनां बहवोऽम्बुवेगाः समुद्रमेवाभिमुखा तथा तवामि नरलोकवीरा विशन्ति वक्त्राणि अभिविज्वलन्ति यथा प्रदीप्तं ज्वलनं पतंगा विशन्ति नाशाय समृद्धवेगाः तथैव नाशाय विशन्ति लोकाः तवापि वक्त्राणि समृद्धवेगाः लेलिह्यसे ग्रसमानः समन्ताः लोकान् समग्रान् वदनैर्ज्वलद्भिः तेजोभिरापूर्य जगत्समग्रं भासस्तवोग्राः प्रतपन्ति विष्णो आख्याहि मे को भवानुग्ररूपो नमोऽस्तु ते देव वरप्रसीद विज्ञातुमिच्छामि भवन्तमाद्यम् न हि प्रजानामि तव प्रवृत्तिम्। So till this shloka we have Arjuna's experience, Arjuna's words as he sees the Vishwarupa Darshana, as he has the Vishwarupa Darshana. He is seeing the terrible, he is seeing the beautiful, he is seeing the supreme, he is seeing Lord in various forms. Srishti, Sthiti, Pralaya is going on simultaneously. Even now, now means now at 9 o'clock. whether in east or west or north or south or southwest or northeast, whether it's above, whether it's below, whether it's in the trees, whether it's in the plants, whether it's animals, whether it's birds, whether it's insects, whether it is fish, whether it's snakes, whether it is mammals, anything, human beings, tribals, educated, uneducated, literate, illiterate, sadhakas, samsaris, business people, sports people, take anybody, take anyone, take last 1.5 years. We are looking at death because of the corona infection. But how many babies are born? How many people are happy? Minus the politics and minus that misinformation and all that gadbad that we see. Babies are born, girl child is born, a boy child is born in some house, in some forest, in some city. They are jumping with joy. Birthday celebrations we saw. One side death is there, death ceremony, bodies piled up. Another side birthday celebrations. What is all this? We forget that. On one side marriages during the corona time, as if that is the greatest goal. On the one side we saw diverse cases. So we should not just be carried away by the happenings in the society. We should go by the truth. Now you see Arjuna's vision. What is he seeing? Not just Krishna eating butter or Krishna playing with the gopis or Krishna playing flute or Krishna in Dwarka with Rukmini, Satyabhama and others. No. He is seeing the terrible form. And some may argue, how God can be so terrible, so furious? Everything is God. In animals, snakes, there are very friendly snakes. Is it not? And there are terrible poisonous snakes. But will the poisonous kill the snake? Poison is in the snake. Will the poison kill the snake? No. In the animals, wild animals we call, tamed animals we call. And there are some animals which eat their own eggs, which eat their own children. In the fish also. So, the life is infinite, varieties. So you cannot distinguish this good or this bad. It is only for our vyavaharam we do it. But Arjuna is seeing Ghora Rupa of the Lord. That is the Pralaya Rupa, drawing everything back to him. And your own body, your own hair, your own nails, your own skin, your own blood. Is it the same that it was yesterday? Do you think it is the same? Or what it was 1 year back, last year, 17th June? Will it be the same next year? Tomorrow it won't be the same. And you are talking about next year. Pichi kada? But still we say my body, my hair, my nose. What my hair, my nose? Nothing is yours. There is a famous example of a woodcutter who was using an axe given to him by his father. Woodcutter is using an axe, Goddali, given to him by his father before he died. That was the property he had. Then the woodcutter proudly is telling his neighbors and others. What is he telling, This is the same axe which my grandfather was using. This is the same axe which my grandfather was using. He has changed the handle 10 times. He has changed the blade 15 times, same axe. Got the punch there? Got the underlining statement there? He is telling same axe, but the handle changed 10 times. Is it the same? The blade, that iron blade of that axe is changed 15 times. Is it the same? But still, what is the identification? That same axe which my grandfather used. Okay. Pichitanam gada? Mental. So this is our problem. Your same body. So everything is going, everything is born, everything is dying, everything is born. So need not worry about death. Need not fear death. Mrutyorma amrutangamaya. We pray. But suddenly, yo, he died, who died, he died. Nobody died. They have gone forward, that's all. They have gone forward. Have that practical sense. Yes, some emotion, some difficulty will be there, but that is not the truth. The truth is, he or she has gone into God, he has come from God, and he lives in God. That will give you peace, that will give you strength, that will make the family happy. Rudraditya vasavo yecha sadhya vishveshvinau marutas choshmapascha Gandharva yaksha surasiddha sangaha vikshante tvam vismitas chaiva sarve. Rudras, Adityas, Vasus, Sadhyas, Vishwas, Ashwins, Maruts, and the hosts of Gandharvas all view thee in utter amazement. All are watching that glorious form, the divine form, the cosmic form of the Lord. Rupam mahatte bahuvaktanetram Mahabaho Bahubahu Rupadam Bahudaram Bahudam Shrakaralam Drishtva Loka Pravyatitas Tataham. Mahabaho, O mighty arm, Krishna. Krishna is telling Arjuna, Mahabaho. Arjuna is glorifying the Lord also as mighty armed one. Bahuvaktra Netram, having many faces and eyes. Bahubahu Rupadam, two very important words. Bahuvaktra Netram, Bahubahu Rupadam, with many arms, thighs and legs. Bahudaram, all these, please note down, remember the terms when you are in meditation. Bahuvaktra Netram, Bahubahu Rupadam, Bahudaram, Bahudamshtra Karalam, terrible fangs. The teeth which he is seeing, fangs, they are not just teeth. We say fangs of the snake, fangs of the cobra, very sharp, very powerful. Just two sharp, in the front it will be there. One pierce, finished, deadly. Bahudaram, Bahudam Shrakaralam, forbidding appearance. The whole world, O mighty one, is trembling in awe, even as I. So, is a fearful appearance of the Lord, the pralaya rupa of the Lord. Everything going inside, like earthquake, like bhukampa, like volcano. What fear, what this, that is also God. God alone lives, the soul alone lives, spirituality alone lives. Hold on to that. So whether it is volcanoes, whether it is earthquakes, whether it is tsunamis, whether it is pandemics, it is God. It has come from God. Everything. So, just like the Ganga, Godavari, Narmada, Krishna, Brahmaputra, Tungabhadra, any river, any glorious rivers which we adore as the mother. What do we see in the river? So many things. They are floating away, dead bodies, boats, fish, everything is there in that. They're all floating away. So all of us are floating or moving towards the divine. In between, We have this class, we have that clash, we have this problem, we have that problem, all in the framework of God consciousness. Navasprusham deeptamanekavarnam yattananam deepta vishala netram दृष्ट्वा हि त्वां प्रव्यतितान्तरात्मा धृतिं न विन्दामि शमं च विष्णो. When I see your form reaching up to the skies and shining in varied hues, when I see thy face with mouth wide open and eyes large and glowing bright, I feel shaken to the core of my being with awe. O all-pervading one, my strength is exhausted and my mind is without peace. दंष्ट्राकरालानि च ते मुखानि दृष्ट्वैव कालानलसन्निभानि दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्मा प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवासा. Beholding thy faces, resembling the fire of cosmic destruction and striking terror with the fangs, I lose all sense of direction, as also my presence of mind. O thou, the Lord of all, and the home of the worlds, be propitious unto me. Devesha Jagannivasa Prasida. Prasida means bless me, take care of me, be with me. Jagannivasa, home of the worlds. Hey Devesha, Lord of Lords. All these were all there in the battlefield. Kaurava's side, Pandava's side. The sons of Dhritarashtra, Bhishma, Drona, Karna, the principal warriors on our side, all are rushing headlong into thy fearful mouth. Now, what I suggest after the class, everything, just sit quiet when you find time and replace it by that last 1.5 years pandemic situation which happened in our time. Then you find everybody was going into the mouth of the Lord. Some are seen with their heads crushed and caught in the gaps of thy teeth. What must have been Arjuna's condition and Arjuna's vision? Yata nadinam bhavambu vegaha samudramevabhimuka dravanti tata tavami naralokavira vishanti vatrana bhivijvalanti. As the swift flowing waters of numerous rivers rush towards the sea, so these heroes among men are rushing into thy flaming mouth. That means nothing is permanent, nobody is permanent. When the time comes, all have to go inside the Lord only. And another example, like the river sea tells, now like the moths, the fireflies, moths, swarm swiftly into a flaming fire and perish. So do these men rush headlong into thy mouth to meet with sure destruction. Thou lappest up all the worlds around, devouring them with thy flaming mouth. Thy luster, striking awe into the minds of all, fills this entire universe with its radiance and scorches it. O Vishnu, deign to tell me who you are with this awe-inspiring form. Namostute Deva Varaprasida. O Supreme Lord, my salutation, my prayers by thy grace. Vignatum ichchami. Vignatum, to know. Ichchami, desire. Prayer. Tava, yours. Pravrittim, working or purpose. Na prajanami, I do not understand. I wish to know more about thee. See, again and again, Arjuna is praying. He is telling us, let us all pray like that. Let us go closer to God and see what He can, how He can bless us. Go near, go near. Pray. The primal being has also thy purpose here, of which I am in ignorance. There also in the 10th chapter he said, I am not satisfied with what I have heard. Please tell again. In the beginning of the 11th chapter, he has told, I want to see that glorious form of yours. Now again in the 31st shloka is telling, I am ignorant of many things. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about your purpose. Tell me who you are. Prasida Devesha Jagannivasa. Namostute Deva Varaprasida. So keep reciting that line in your meditation. Namostute Deva Varaprasida. Namostute Deva Varaprasida. Namostute Deva Varaprasida. That will make us more humble, more devoted, and more faithful to the Lord. Let us meditate now, a few minutes. Please sit straight. Om. All the others who have not opened their video, please open. I want to see how you are sitting. Posture is very important. Checking. थोड़ा checking करना पड़ेगा. रूपम महते बहुवक्त्र नेत्रम महाबाहो बहुबाहूरुपादम बहूदरम बहुदंष्ट्राकरालम दृष्ट्वा लोका प्रव्यतितास्तताहम. Stupendous form, the infinite form, with faces, eyes, arms, trunks, thighs, and legs in myriads. Numerous fangs of forbidding appearance. The whole world is trembling in awe, even as I. Pravyatitaha, immensely awestruck. Everybody is stunned, everybody is shocked as it were. They are in awe. Visualize that in your mind, how Arjuna is seeing and what he is seeing. Sasrashirsham Devam Vishwaksham Vishwashambhuvam Vishwam Narayanam Devam Aksharam Paramam Padam Vishwatah Paraman Nityam Vishwam Narayanagam Harim Vishwamevedam Purushastad Vishwamupajivati, etc. Nabhasprusham Deeptamanekavarnam Vyattananam Deeptavishalanetram Drishtva Hitvam Pravyatitantaratma Dhritim na Vindami Shaman cha Vishnu. When I see thy form, the Vishwarupa Darshana, and is Arjuna is seeing, having the Darshana, reaching up to the skies, shining in various hues, Deeptam Aneka Varnam Nabhasprasham Vyattananam, with mouth wide open, Vishala Netram, Deepta Vishala Netram, not just big eyes, with large eyes glowing bright. Pravyatitantaratma, one shaken with awe to the core of one's being. Hey Vishnu, hey Bhagavan, O all-pervading being. It is so furious, so huge, so vast. The tiny person in that cosmic being that Arjuna is shivering as it. Damshrakaralanī ca te mukhani दृष्ट्वैव बकालानलसन्निभानि दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्म प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवासा. Thy faces mean numerous faces. Sahasra Shirisham, Sahasraksham, Sahasrapat. When you remember that, those terms you can recollect here. Resembling the fire of cosmic destruction and striking terror with the fangs. I lose all sense of direction and presence of mind. O thou, the Lord of all, and the home of the world. Jagannivasa, home of the worlds, Devesha, Prasida, be propitious, be graceful to me. All these hosts of kings, along with the sons of Dhritarashtra, Bhishma, Drona, and others, all are rushing headlong into thy fearful mouth, set with terrible fangs. Damshtra karalani bhayanakani, kechid vilagna dashanantareshu, sandrishyante churnitairuttamangaihi. They are stuck up in between the teeth. Their heads are crushed. That means whole dissolution, pralaya is going on. So the different diseases, the infections, the deaths that all are going around in various forms is all going back to the Godhead, rushing back towards that mouth of the Supreme Being. Visualize all the rivers that we know, that we have understood, we are connected with in our life. Where are the rivers flowing? Into the ocean, is it not? So just like that, all the people, all the things are going into the Lord. These heroes among men are rushing into thy flaming mouths. Meditate on the 29th shloka also. यथा प्रदीप्तं ज्वलनं पतंगा विशन्ति नाशाय समृद्धवेगाः तथैव नाशाय विशन्ति लोकाः तवापि वक्त्राणि समृद्धवेगाः. Patanga, moths, nashaya, destruction. And this destruction is happening swiftly. Breakneck speed, we say, swiftly. As the moths fall into the flaming fire, all these men rush headlong into thy mouth to meet with sure destruction. Thy luster, tejaha, tejobhira puryaha, striking awe into the minds of all, fills this entire universe with its radiance and scorches it. Now, in our short meditation, let us follow Arjuna's confession, surrender, prayer, and follow it. What does he say? Akyahi meko bhavanugrarupo namostute deva varaprasida vignatumichami bhavantamadhyam nahi prajanami tava pravrittim. Deign to tell me who thou art with this awe-inspiring form. Devavara, O Supreme Lord, salutation, salutation, be propitious, prasida, prasida means he should be propitious to us, he should be gracious to us to tell about himself. Vignatum ichchami, I wish to know more about thee, the primal being. Adyam bhavanta. Thy purpose here, of which I am in ignorance, Bhagavate Ramakrishnaaya. Om Namo 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 Bhagavate Ramakrishnaaya. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. With great devotion, with Sharanagati Bhavam, attitude of surrender, with Dasya Bhavam, that of a servant, of a friend, of a companion, of a lover of God, let us offer our salutations again and again, again and again, again and again, to that Supreme Being in the form of Sri Ramakrishna or your Ishtadevata, Jagat Janani, Jagat Mata, Sri Sharada Devi, Swami Vivekananda, and all great teachers, all great gurus. Rub the palms very nicely, all of you. Create the heat and slowly roll over your eyelids once, forehead and face. Okay, all of you are happy. Santosham, Anandam, Tripti, Bhakti. End of the day, that is very important, is it not? So, please read again. What we do in the morning, you should do it in the evening or in the afternoon. Then just be there, be in the present, be in the present. Slowly, our vehicle will move forward, our ship will move forward, and we will get the abundant grace, Bhagavat Kripa, Bhagavat Anugraha. So our ego will be crushed, our foolishness will be destroyed by this Anugraha, and from darkness to light, from darkness to light. Right? So one small announcement, I don't know whether you know or not. As part of the International Yoga Day, there is a NGO in Hyderabad, in Bangalore, and a few other places called Youth for Seva. They are connected with us for many years. The founder itself is inspired by Swamiji's teachings long back, and he started this Youth for Seva, Doctors for Seva, Tech, IT professionals for Seva, doing enormous, wonderful, divine work. And they have connected with a yoga institute with us and with others. Please, those who don't know, I request you to download an app. It is called Life Cycle. Life, Life, Cycle, Cykul. It is an app for Surya Namaskaram. Life Cycle, okay. So there you have got a event called Suryathan, which is going on now. Suryathan. Every Surya Namaskaram that you do counts there in the app. One set of Surya Namaskaram contributes rupees 10 towards education of children who lost their parents to COVID. So please contribute. You are not. You have to do yogasanas. You have to do Surya Namaskaram. It gets connected with an IT company in CSR, and they give the 10 rupees per asana. So if you do 100 asanams, you are donating how much? 1,000 rupees. Very interesting. If 100 people do, it becomes 10,000 rupees. So that fund which is collected by Youth for Seva is used for orphan education in the country. But initial registration fee is there for the app, only 150 rupees contribution. Then you will get the count. So every day, morning, evening, please do yoga, Surya Namaskarams. When you press that start button, there is Surya Namaskaram mantra, Surya mantra, and then the asanams are shown in graphics. You follow that. And you can do 10, you can do 15, you can do 20. And your family member, mother, father, brother, sister, husband, wife, children, neighbors, you will have thousands of contacts, is it not? You're all very wonderful people, very big people, very wide contacts. So through you, let it go to the entire country. And the more you do, the better for the orphans. You should feel that so-and-so who is a boy or a girl, orphan, is your child. What if if you die and your children become orphans? So that is called empathy. I put myself in that man's position, that girl's, that young boy who cannot take care of himself now. Maybe their grandfather or uncle, they may take half off, but Samaja Runam. We have to take Runam, offer our tribute, gratitude. Please, it is all put in this one there in the chat box. Everybody, I request immediately, as early as possible, do it from today itself, Subhashya Shigram, and inform this message to all the people. And 21st Monday, we have this International Yoga Day, morning 6:30 to 7:30. The students of VIHE, yoga students, all of you, volunteers, parents, Bala Vikas children, we are promoting to join us for 1 hour. Little chanting, pranayama, omkaram, other things will be there, and Surya Namaskaram for 30 minutes. So we want to create a big, we'll send you the link also, Zoom link, or if it is filled up more than 500, YouTube channel will be opened of Human Excellence. You can participate, you can watch and do the asanas and send your recordings to us. This is our seva to the nation and to the health of the people. Okay? So we'll stop now with prayer to all of you and good wishes to all of you. Study the Gita once again, the shlokas, 10 shlokas, 22 to 31, and be happy and become more spiritual. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sri Rama Krishna Arpanamastu. Tomorrow morning, 8:20, we'll meet. Namaste. Hari Om Tat Sat.